Today, I'm riding the North Missaukee ORV Trail. Every clip in this video is on the East Loop. So about the trail, very fun, flowy, high berms, not too whipped out, pretty good time. I was riding it because my dad and I were invited to the 11th annual Squidley's Tentacle Flop Invitational. It's a group trail ride put on by great people. There were lots of guys there that rode it, and we all had a good time. Last year I did the 10th annual in the upper. It's on my channel if you want to check it out. That also was a same people organized it. It also was a really good time. Enjoy the few clips I have. And yeah. Coming up here, I wanted to include this quick clip. This was a really cool section, you know, just kind of like back-to-back berms, you know, a nice flowy section. It was pretty fun, you know, really couldn't go that fast, but it was just pretty fun to, you know, ride them berms, and it was pretty flowy, good part of the trail. This next section was pretty sandy, still pretty fun though. I got dusty because I was the last rider in the pack out of 3 guys. Yeah. This next section I was riding my dad's KTM 250 XCW. Just want to include this little section if you're riding this trail, just to what to look out for if you're riding. A little swamped out, wasn't challenging, you know, just something I thought I should include. And that wraps up the video. Tried to keep it a little short, but all in all, it was a fun ride, and thanks to Squidley for putting it on.